Hey, good post, Tom. I liked your organization and the points that you brought up. For me, I think that having all five core elements and balancing those out really make for good emotional intelligence. For me, I think one thing that I have lacked in the past is showing and expressing empathy. Um, I think dealing with customers, you have to definitely prove to them that you understand what's going on with them and you can relate. Um, Another one that I have seen is self-regulation, of where people don't know how to use the correct emotional intelligence in the right situation. We have one guy in our organization that it's kind of an ongoing joke that they don't like bringing him into customers because he may say something that makes them upset, or he just doesn't know how to read the situation. So kind of having the wits of or flexible, strategic flexibility of knowing when to use emotional intelligence and not. I think that's the key is kind of knowing which element to use in which situation. So that's my input. Great post, and talk to you later.